sing.
You ready?
Little cunnilingus for the beer.
Take that shit.
This massive breathing. Eat it! Eat it! Holy shit.
Whoa! Yeah, right.
We're gonna baby bird.
Drunk enough for video yet.
Yeah. Later?
Later,
Hang on, I'm coming.
definitely.
I want that video to be my
This is a new tradition called baby
when I
bird.
run for office.
Okay, so baby bird, you're gonna have to explain to me.
You'll just have to watch.
All you gotta do is watch.
Gordy, come
Gordy, come here and baby bird me.
The whole thing.
Oh, he wants the whole thing. Oh.
Holy crap.
Who thought of this?
Give it up. Give it up.
Who thought of this?
Hey, Messig.
Like, where the hell did this come from?
Well done.
I don't even want to know.